Hello friends, I'm Arva and here I'm with my explanation why lemon juice prevents apple oxidation or apple browning. When apple is cut open, an enzyme when apple is cut open, an enzyme called PPO. What is this enzyme means? Enzyme means the proteins that cause chemical reaction. The name of the enzyme is PPO. PPO or also PPO means simply polyphenol oxidase. What is the full form of PPO is? Polyphenol oxidase. When apple is cut open, an enzyme called PPO is released from the cell of the apple and reacts with oxygen in air. As you cut it open, oxygen rush into the apple piece. Oxygen in air. The reaction causes the fruit to turn brown. Similar rust forming on the mat. I will give you some more simple picture of it so that you can easily understand. When apple is cut open or when apple cell is damaged, oxygen get inside it. When oxygen combines with this enzyme PPO, when oxygen is attached to this PPO, it allows this PPO to change the phenol into a molecule called melanin, and the color of the melanin is brown. That's why you see the apple surface is brown in color, the browning of apple, or also called apple oxidation. I will explain this process with the help of chemical reaction and equation also. This is nucleus, and around it we have electrons revolving around it, right? What is oxidation? Oxidation means loss of electron. As in my previous videos I have discussed this topic. So oxidation means loss of electron. I will drop the link in the description box so that you can easily visit to it. So oxidation simply means loss of electrons, and in this equation, and here we have oxygen. When oxygen combines with this PPO enzyme, it takes away the oxygen, or it takes away the electron of phenol. So oxygen is very good stealer. Oxygen is very good in taking electron, and loss of electron, it means this is loss of electron, and loss of electron means oxidation. Oxygen combines with phenol. This oxygen combines with phenol and it steals electron from phenol molecule. So here this is the oxidation. I will give you a chemical equation also. We have this equation. (4OH plus 2O2 PPO. PPO when combines with oxygen, and this is our phenol molecule. You can this is simply a phenol. Okay, then it will give 3 plus 2H2O. This is called quinone, which is simply your melanin compound. And many of the students knows definition of oxidation. In definition of oxidation definition we have 1 minute. Removal of hydrogen is nothing but oxidation. Removal either attach of oxygen is also called oxidation, either removal of hydrogen also called oxidation. So here hydrogen is attached, but after the reaction hydrogen removed, so this is the oxidation. So simply is generally students knows this terminology. So you can easily see removal of hydrogen, and removal of hydrogen means oxidation. So what happens when phenol, simply what happens here, PPO combines with oxygen, and oxygen steals its electron. Oxygen is very good in taking electrons, so it steals its electron, and now it turns to quinone. This quinone is nothing but your melanin compound, which is brown in color. Brown in color. PPO catalyzes the oxidation of phenolic compound into a highly reactive quinone. Quinones that causes browning of cut or bruised fruit. It's like edible rust on your food. Lemon juice, however, acts as preservative because lemon juice has ascorbic acid in it. Lemon juice has low pH level. Ascorbic acid, which is present in lemon juice, reacts with oxygen before it reacts with PPO. Even when ascorbic acid is used, pH of lemon juice prevents browning. That's because PPO works best because PPO, that enzyme, works best in the 5 to 7 range of pH scale, and lemon juice has a pH level about 2, which keeps PPO inactive. Other juices that helps to delay browning process of apple are lime juice, cranberry juice, Concord grape juice, grapefruit juice. Other ways to prevent apple from browning, we have 2 ways. One is to cook it, which destroys its enzyme. Enzyme means PPO. It completely destroys its enzymes. PPO structure, that PPO is a protein, of course, so its structures completely change, and now it will not react phenol to give you melanin compound, which is brown in color, so your apple oxidation will get stopped. And of course, if you cook the apple, its vitamin A will also destroy. And the second one is by covering it. If you cover it, of course you are not allowing the oxygen. If you don't allow the oxygen, you will not get the brown part, so apple oxidation again stops. Friends, I want to share you one more very useful information about PPO. Almost all plant contains PPO. It's believed plant use it for defense. When a plant is damaged, the browning of the affected area may discourage animals and insects from eating it. It may also work to heal the plant. The browning creates an antibacterial effect, limiting the spread of destructive germs. This is all about how to prevent apple oxidation. If you like my video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.